Big muscle. Big fucking muscles. I look like a fucking Chad. Welcome back to another reaction. I was gonna react to this song yesterday. I broke a promise to Mike Gillens. Big shout out to him for recommending this song. I broke a promise. I am sorry. Very, very sorry, but we're here to react to another Tupac song. I cannot say the title of it or else I'm gonna get in very deep trouble. I even feel uncomfortable writing the title for this song. I'm so white. Anyways, we're not gonna waste any more time. This is a 360 video, so it's history in the making of Ripley reactions. It's been a long time since I called it that. But anyways, let's skip all the intros and everything. Let's just get to this fucking reaction. Let's go.
No man separate what we create.
Okay.
Unstoppable, untouchable.
As I said, it's a 360 video, so it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be everywhere.
Motherfucking made niggas. Coming at these niggas worldwide. Machiavelli the dog. My life in exchange for yours. Born hated as a thug. House full of babies crying for my lack of getting love. Ain't tell me shit till I got a sack of drugs at the block shown up. Cause I learned to pack a gun. Do you feel me? World, do you hear me? Catch a rising star. Fuck the love. Niggas fear me. Got these niggas running all wild for my double R. When we ride, motherfuckers here sure to die. Boom, once I enter the room, in the air, all you hear is the whispers of doom. Niggas scared, they don't wanna see me head on. Think all the buses that I had to leave, they ain't gone. And a grave digger fucking with a maid nigga, M.O.B. Gunfire getting sprayed quicker. Come on, let them understand my plot to get richer. Much more than 6 figures. Motherfucking maid nigga.
God damn.
Motherfucking maid nigga.
The way
I got a plot to get richer, take my picture. A maid nigga. I was raised on a
Yo, the way he fucking controlled that camera, that was fucking great. And now we're moving on to the Outlaws, right? This is the Outlaws. If not, please forgive me down in the comments, Jesus Christ. But anyways, let's continue. This is fire.
My role model was killing niggas, so I know I would never be weak. They got me sitting wondering when my life begins. These niggas crossed my father, did my father cross them? Cause I roll with immortal thug niggas, and my number one plan to kill a man and grab a needle and drug niggas. Niggas don't like us because they bitches straight love us. The president told us to leave cause the government don't want us. This is the problem. I get my pleasure out of sin and seeing blood spill ain't shit cause I seen it at the beginning. A main nigga.
How many niggas fall in your vision? Gunning them down for every last minute that I spent in prison. We mad together, plus we get cash together. Blast whenever, knowing it don't last forever. It's only one way out and one way in. Motherfuckers cross and get crossed out, never made men. We salute, cock and shoot, blow the roof off and poof like Rahmat Raouf. I can't be touched cause of the weapons I clutch. And the niggas that I'm under is just too much. We made niggas.
Picture the scenery, cause for now you gon' have to imagine. Call me your prophet, cause I'm predicting what's gon' happen. I began the paper, stacking at those who be paper snatching will emerge like crack in the 80s. Maybe that's if I slip, but I became official since the start of this. Edie, I mean, born July 7th of Fusid eyes. Precious, but others gave me they hate to cherish. But still I made it. I made nigga, made by the game. Made for war, my aim is simple and plain. Yeah, whether it's Kane or these tracks made for your brain, you'll forever know my name. Edie, I made nigga.
Jesus, these fucking bars. The fucking bars in this, goddamn, my throat is itching or something. I think I have coronavirus.
I was just bullshitting.
God forgive me, or God bless me, I should say. I hope I don't. Anyways, this is fucking fire.
There will be none of that. A young old Kato playing outlaw immortal combat with a criminal skill. They kill and beat me a nigga till he still and chill. Recognize the real deal. Feel a nigga made I was young and dumb with a gun, but it pays, so I'm busting for fun. And the outcome will be the same every time. We all gon' die, get yours, cause I'ma get mine. Down roads, we beat Don Juans of this rough shit. Rhymes baptize your mind while paralyze the public with my mentality of war. Dead bodies and sirens give it to you raw. Thug nigga to the core, the results of living poor. Got me thinking on a main shooting my gaze to get paid. A fucking crazy devil. Mashing from here to there.
Yo, I can't stop headbanging.
Year to year, main niggas on your motherfucking tear. I'm a main
Call me a
nigga.
bad motherfuckers daily when affairs trail me. So my alias Machiavelli getting lessons from niggas in penitentiaries. Game when the plot helped me survive several centuries. Lock me in the cage, I display my rage. Surround the court building with the gauge and spray. They wonder if I'm going and finally sentenced. on my knees to God, begging for repentance. I'm convinced that I'm a thug. They got me fiending for my cash like a fiend when he dreams of drugs. This the daughter and I kidnap your daughter, kill your wife and hit the funeral. We'll tell you just who gave the order. Machiavelli the dawn.
God damn.
I maintain my army.
Slow it down.
Lunatics and stay on till the day I die. I'll be remembered as a paid nigga, outlaw to the grave. A motherfucking made nigga. Can you feel me? Come close.
Yo, did Tupac control the whole fucking camera in this video? Because if he did, I'm gonna be so fucking happy. You guys know all the facts, so tell me in the comments.
All I want is the cream. I sell my shit to the fiends. All the bitches scream. Come listen to this made nigga. Outlaws. Machiavelli the Don. Hussein.
Hell yeah.
Idi Amin, Castro, Napoleon, Gaddafi, Mussolini, M.O.B.
The fucking guitar in the background too.
I send this out to my niggas on the streets.
Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-ba-da. God
my niggas
damn.
on death row. The dog pound. The dog father.
Yo, Tupac was the absolute best.
You know what time it is. Daz Dillinger, Corrupt, Young Gotti.
God damn. That was fucking great. I really like that. I really fucking loved it. If you loved it too, let me know so down in the comments below. And if you want to see more like this, tell me so in the comments below. Of course you guys want to see more. Why wouldn't you want to see more Tupac on this channel? God fucking damn it. Anyways, thanks for watching nonetheless. And if you want to see more, yet again, tell me so down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. Click that bell so you don't miss an upload. And tell me what you want to react to next down in the comments below. It can be any artist, any song. Just tell me so down in the comments below. I hope to see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Yet again, I hope to see you in the next video. Kudos.
Thank you.